So today we are visiting the Wetco Pro in Avon, Ohio. That's the touchscreen. We use DRB at this site. We're going to start off with our pre-soak. And this site has 2 top brushes. First top brush. Then our triple foam. Got our quick fires. Our low side washer. I helped open this wash on Thursday. Did 95 cars in 1 hour. We were very busy the first day opening. Got our McNeil side washers there. Hot wax. Sorry for the short video, this is a very quick tunnel. Got our ceramic. Tire shine. And then we got a flash dryer up there. There's the tire shine. At the site we use a McNeil Gloss Boss. The nice thing about these dryers here is they tilt. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and have a good day.